We all know mechanical keyboards can be a game changer for typing and gaming, but often, they come with a hefty price tag or a reputation for being incredibly loud. What if you could get that satisfying mechanical feel, a durable build, and surprising quietness, all without breaking the bank? This is the mechanical keyboard, available with your choice of green, black, or T-switches, and it's making some interesting claims. First off, it boasts silent noise reduction technology. For a mechanical keyboard, especially if you're leaning towards a green switch which is typically quite clicky, this is a significant feature. It doesn't promise absolute silence, but it does promise to significantly reduce the button sound, which is a welcome feature for shared spaces or late-night sessions. You still get that tactile feedback, but without the excessive clatter that can sometimes annoy those around you. The build quality here is a standout. It's designed with a thin metal panel structure, which immediately gives it a robust and premium feel. This isn't just a flimsy plastic peripheral. It feels far more durable than your average keyboard, suggesting it's truly built to last through countless hours of typing and gaming. In terms of usability, it features a standard, full-size layout, which is fantastic for anyone who relies on a numpad or prefers a traditional setup. The keys themselves are comfortable, designed for an efficient and pleasant typing experience. Whether you're crunching numbers, writing emails, or diving into a gaming session, the tactile response from the switches combined with the comfortable keycaps makes every press feel deliberate and satisfying. Plus, its broad compatibility means it works seamlessly across all major operating systems, from desktops and laptops to even tablets. Just plug it in via USB, and you're good to go, making it a truly versatile option for almost any setup. Now here's the kicker. This is an affordable keyboard. It doesn't come with a ton of extra bells and whistles, no fancy dedicated macro keys, or complex RGB lighting modes beyond the basics. The description even mentions it has no practical sprint function, which essentially means it focuses on core functionality. But honestly, for many users, that's exactly what they need. It's designed to meet all your daily needs reliably and comfortably, without any unnecessary frills. The choice of green, black, or T-switches means you can pick the feel that suits you best, whether you prefer a clicky, linear, or tactile bump. And the simultaneous character pressing ensures that even in fast-paced gaming or rapid typing, every input registers accurately. So, if you're in the market for a dependable, durable, and surprisingly quiet mechanical keyboard that delivers on the essentials without demanding a premium price, this mechanical keyboard with its choice of switches is definitely worth considering. It's a solid workhorse that gets the job done and does it well.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.